Emotions and ADHD. This is a huge topic because kids with ADHD tend to live in huge emotions.
I know that, dude.
Hi, it's Ryan, ADHD Dude. Before I start talking about emotional regulation, I want to explain something because there's not really a term to describe this or language to go with it. Kids with ADHD tend to live in strong emotions. The way I describe this to kids is I say your feelings are amplified, meaning you feel things stronger than other people. So one of the things I want parents to understand is that part of having ADHD is living in big emotions, and a lot of times kids will try to pull us into those big emotions because that's where they live. Emotional regulation is an aspect of executive functioning. Kids with ADHD have about a 2 to 3 year delay in their executive functioning compared to their same age peers. So what this means is a 7-year-old is going to have the emotional regulation skills of about a 4 or 5-year-old. A 13-year-old's emotional regulation skills may be closer to that of a 10 or 11-year-old. This does get better with age, and what I tend to see is in high school, things tend to really improve, but I will tell you that there's plenty of adults with ADHD out there, some of you may know, who still struggle with emotional regulation skills. It's normal for many kids with ADHD to have meltdowns, blow-ups, whatever you want to call them, and particularly this is true for kids who are younger than high school age. While this does get better with age, there are things you can do right now to help. One of the things many parents have shared with me is that counseling or talk therapy did not help their son or daughter improve their emotional regulation skills. I want to explain why. Part of the reason for this is because therapy or counseling is not a recommended treatment for ADHD. Having a kid with ADHD talk about feelings in a therapist's office is not going to be effective because talking about feelings does not change behaviors or teach skills. A therapist teaching coping strategies or relaxation skills is not a bad thing, but the problem is that kids with ADHD learn best in the moment, which is why parents really have to provide the scaffolding to help their son or daughter improve their emotional regulation skills. My parent behavior management program, Raising Great Dudes, is available at the ADHD Dude membership site, and it empowers parents with strategies to help improve behavior at home. There's also a few different concepts I teach kids who become emotionally dysregulated that you can watch in the Dude Talk playlist where all my videos for kids are located. Please also make sure to check out the emotional regulation playlist here at the channel, and you can also read various articles and videos at the ADHD Dude Facebook page as well as my Attitude magazine page, ADHD and Boys. And when you're ready to start making positive changes at home, please go to the ADHD Dude website, ADHDdude.com, where you can learn more about the membership site. I hope this is helpful. Please keep in mind that with anything else, improving emotional regulation skills takes time and effort, and it's probably not going to happen at a pace you want, but it will happen with consistency and with implementing the right strategies. I hope this is helpful. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.